Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube on your Samsung phone and going straight to Settings. This is faster than changing system language. Make sure the app is updated because older versions may not show voice language options. Tap your profile icon in the top right, then select Settings, which groups voice and search controls. While in Settings, keep your preferred spoken language in mind. This guides the next menu. Once done, proceed to the search or voice settings to change recognition options. Now navigate into voice or search and voice options. This is where YouTube controls recognition. Tap voice language and scroll the list to find your target language. Tap it to apply. You can choose more than one for bilingual searches. If you don't see your language, make sure Google App Language matches or update system language briefly. Enabling multiple languages helps when you switch mid-search, but note recognition accuracy varies by language and accents. Once selected, go back and test a quick voice. To finish, test the change by tapping the YouTube microphone and saying a search phrase in the chosen language. Listen for correct transcription. If YouTube still uses the wrong language, make sure the Google App Language and your Samsung system language aren't overriding YouTube. Adjust those settings and retry. If problems persist, restart the app or phone, and as a last resort, reinstall YouTube. One key troubleshooting tip. Clearing YouTube app cache often fixes persistent voice recognition issues without losing account data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.